Okay, good evening. In this tutorial as Pongal's teacher, I have given you many different topics and I do believe that you will try to explain about your viewpoint related to the topics of what is given to you. First and foremost, you know the word is much more formal. You have to give your introduction, then try to clarify about your presentation which is playing in mind. So let's start to take the initiative.
So it's Hanindo here. Good evening all the students and good evening all guys.
Hi guys, I am Shambhatacharya, a student of class 10 of Howrah Vivekananda Institution, and thank you to all to join us in the live.
So today here our respected sir has given us a topic and it is eradicating poverty or mission Mangal, which is so much important in our life in the modern society. So let's start. So hello Shambhu, how are you?
Yeah, I am fine. And you, Anindo?
Yeah, me too.
So today, while reading newspaper in morning, I have noticed a very interesting headline there that what is much more important, eradication of povertyness or mission Mars or mission Mangal.
Yeah, I also noticed it is so much interesting, but it is it is so much controversial because people is taking in various types of minds. So therefore, taking the way of taking this, it is depending on them.
But I think first what I would like to say that in behalf of the eradication of povertyness, that what initiative have central government have taken, that is Sharvik Vikas or the universal development is very important. Development of a country doesn't barricades a particular region or a particular society of people. Rather, it should be devoted in different types of region, different types of classes, different types of peoples all over the country. So here, when we are talking about development, then universityness of its or its actually flexibleness should be there. Next thing is increasement of GDP. Actually, in a very short term, what I would like to understand you that GDP is the internal necessity or GDP is the internal what I would like to say that demand of a country. So we have to increase our GDP if we want to get our nation a move forward. As India is a still developing country, so this type of little actually footsteps will get too much more effect on our country's development. Next thing is proper utilization of government schemes. Actually, both central and state governments actually allot 1,000 crore rupees on different types of government scheme. Either it is for region-based peoples, either it is for different types of caste people, either it is for different types of financial peoples. They can, every one of them can be benefited by that. But different types of smugglings, different types of black money, different types of underworld, this type of illegal forms are there. That's why the actually the general people are not getting the proper actually usefulness of those schemes. Rather they are getting the harassment. So it should be banned. Then I think the eradication will be povertyness will be a success step. And you on in the
Yeah, I also agree with you, but I think I want to add some different points here. Actually, what I would like to demonstrate here first of all, that is, take it granted that you have a bottle and sealed it with this cap. Then you can find two different layers. One is inside the bottle and the others are outside. The inside a bottle, which types of density of air you can get? It is the atmosphere of Earth and the others of the outside in the galaxy. And the relevant part of galaxy, it's a Mars and the other relevant planet we have around the sun. And missioning on them, it also clears our improvement of science. But why? The question is here, why the missions or the scientific experiments are better than eradicating povertyness or etc. things like this? Because this will take a lot of time and science will not compromise with time. Because time and tide waits for none, and science also in the way of developing the generations, it will not take the time and compromise with time. Not only that, if we trying to give a proper identity of our country in the name of missions on Mangal and Mars, etc., what is happening today, we have to know the proper education and lessons, and we have the skill. We should have the skilled scientists to arrange with this product. No, and for that reason, we have to invest our money behind the education. But if we try to eradicate the povertyness, providing the monies to the poor, then it will take a lot of time. And not only that, the monies, the funds which is needed to improvement the educational system and increasing the number of skilled scientists, that we will get in that certain time. So therefore, when we are in a flow, we have to do it. And so that reason, I think Mission Mangal is now better than eradicating in the poverty.
Actually, Anindya, what I think that Mission Mangal or Mission Mars is just an example, is just a phase of different types of actually scientific experiments. Actually, the achievement from a scientific experiments give a different type of identity to a nation. If one nation congrats on the to take a level in the different types of scientific experiments, then I think it have a very big impact on the economical and societal part of a nation. Not only that, standing on the edge of 21st century, I think there is a very cutthroat competition in the international market, and as India is a still developing country, so India have to balance both in economical and societal area and onto the international competition. For that reason, I think that in especially in the division of science, there is a very cutthroat competition, and if India want to maintain his own gravity in that, India have to think one step forward than the other countries. And lastly, what I would like to mention, that we have to increase our fund in any type of experiments. Lastly, when Chandrayaan Abhiyan, I think, was a failure, at those portion a report came out that at those portion, even of a movie, actually even of a fund of a movie is more than this type of critical missions. So why this happened even in India? Because as Chandrayaan is a more and more complex mission, there we have to invest more and more fund, and rather than that we have those type of mentality to provide our fund in these types of cinema and this type of theater and this type of things. I am not telling that this is not important for our society or for our economical sides, but I think for increasement or for the development of India as well as other nation of the world, I think these type of scientific experiments are more important there.
So both are important and essentialities. It has its own essentialities in our society. But not only that, we just talking about that we need the skilled scientists, and we try to developing our educational system for arrangement those types of missions or scientific experiments in Mangal, Mars, I mean to say Moon, etc. What Shambhu has stated that in the occasion of Chandrayaan 2, we just got failure. But we need skilled scientists and we need the developed education. But how? If the povertiness is still there in our society, then the intellectual poor peoples cannot get the lessons. For that reason, they cannot able to participate in those matters. So therefore, what type of skilled performer we needed, we cannot show their performance and their intelligence in these works. The next thing, that expending money behind the poor is and to eradicate their financial problems is better than investing money on missions, because in missions we don't know what to be going in the future, but in eradicating the povertiness, it will be showing what type of financial problem we just going here, it will be stopped and the poor will have lead a safe life. Not only that, implementation will be easy in the scientific ways and scientific experiments. How? Because if we got the less povertiness in our society, then the number of poor will be decreased, they will be as mediocres, they will earn monies, and as they are going in generation is going in mediocre, middle class and the higher strong economical families, statistics says, then the education will come there and it will help to implement in those arrangements and to awareness in whole the peoples. So therefore, if povertiness will go, then it will take a very move step for the missions and scientific experiments what we are just going now in the behalf of science. So that's it.
Okay, so in the conclusion, I would like to say that as we have discussed that what is much more important, eradication of povertyness or Mission Mangal, I think both of them has their own gravity. As India is still developing country, I think both have their impact on actually building up a nation. And as we have discussed, I think that the listeners over the live through YouTube and Facebook will understand that its value, and they will obviously stand forward for the nation, with the nation. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you both. Both you really have done a very good job indeed. Thank you. Thank you for your participation and also giving your opinion related to the topics of what is given to you. Thank you very much.